Hi YouTube. Just gonna do a real quick another toolbox review. You guys are gonna love this one. This one's probably the best one yet. So we're gonna get right into it. Here we go. I'm in my house, by the way. It's in my basement, and a big toolbox here. There you go. Ain't she a beaut? Look at that. Wow. You got in here. Channel lock. These are cobalt pliers. Bought a set of them. I got some Craftsman screwdrivers down in there. Phillips standard. A mask. Oh, we gotta. I bet the batteries are dead. No batteries. Blue point tire gauge. That should be out in the garage with a new battery in it. I got a Craftsman kit here. There's another cobalt plier. Ratcheting tubing cutter. The little one. I think the big one's in here somewhere. Just bought this one. This one's nice. It goes up to like 3/4 or something. Craftsman kit here. That's actually pretty nice though. For working around the house. It's got some standard sockets, all shallow. Focus here. Metric. Standard metric. That's a couple bits, screwdriver handle, the ratchets there. There's some Allen wrenches and a couple regular wrenches. Actually a pretty nice little kit. Craftsman claw hammer. I got a rigid pipe wrench right there. Some cheap, I got some of these out in the garage if you watched that tour. One of them ended up in here. Cummins brand. Not the engine, the tool brand. Got the Wonder Bar. That's the last of the cobalt kit. Pair of side cuts. Sights, whatever you want to call them. Some shark bites in here. Yeah, a bunch of old pieces, parts from working in the kitchen or what have you. And some more pipe and tape, red tape, copper pipe, some putty. And there you go. Here's an edger. Look at that. We're set up. There you go. That's my home toolbox. Hope you enjoy.